Hey guys, it's me Azalea. You're watching my YouTube channel, WayCrunchy. This Old Shack series, 1929 fixer-upper. We got it when it was a complete dump, completely uninhabitable. This place was condemned. There wasn't no electricity, no water. We have brought this house back to life. Now, if you watched the last video, I uploaded was on the Arctic blast, which devastated my area this Christmas holiday season because, yes, it was cold. Yes, in cold weather, like exposed pipes can freeze, that kind of thing. But so many people in my area, including the shack, lost power. The shack lost power for 21 hours. And then got power back and then lost power again. And so even though we have heating in the house, like everyone's pipes inside their house froze because most houses are heated with electric around here. We're in Virginia. This is the South. Like, this is not, you know, a northern frigid climate. We were not prepared for this Arctic blast situation. Single digits, wind chill was definitely under zero. It was crazy, and it was Christmas. So all our pipes froze here at the house, and yesterday we came to check on them. They were still froze. My plants in the house died. It's very depressing. We're at the tail end of this project. I actually thought that all the contractor work for us to then get our final inspection was going to be done on the 21st of December. Today's the day after Christmas, 26th. And then so it didn't get done on the 21st. And so, of course, contractors have families and holidays as well. So, no, that's fine, whatever. But I kind of thought we might be doing more move-in sort of things, not figuring out if our plumbing is all ruined, not thawing pipes, not still, once again, being in a construction zone. But here we are. Our mini splits work great when we have power. So far, so good on those mini splits, y'all. So we've got heat. The house is heated again. But up under the porch is the only places that the pipes are not underground and not inside the heated house. And I think that's where we're still frozen. So Johnny's on defrost action, man. I have been so upset and impatient, and it's really sucked that we haven't moved into this house yet. But also, we wouldn't be able to stay here right now. Like, so this whole we would have had to have gone sought shelter at a friend or family member's during the big freeze if we had already given up our rental. So it takes a long time to move into this house, but at the same time, we were kind of saved from the Arctic blast in a way.
Kind of sucks this is here because I put the heater here at first just so it could run under there, and then I was like, oh, I haven't opened this spigot over a heater. That's not a good idea.
Kitchen's a mess. We still have a leak in our roof that needs to be addressed that just sprung up. General messiness, mess from the contracting. One thing that's aggravating is I wasn't here when John was working with the contractor, and there's just a million things that I'm like the project manager and the person who knows where everything is. And I have the original beadboard curved boards that need to go back in that area. not the flat board. I know that can easily be unscrewed, but I hate that time was wasted on sawing it to fit and screwing it up there. So I have kept the original boards right here. And then you can see the curvature right there. That's where those boards go. So then it's like part of the interesting design of the house. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, we're thawed, we're thawed, we're thawed. Now we look at pipe. We're thawed. Alright, let's see. Kitchen looks good. Let's see if the water pumper is gonna work. Water looks nasty. We got water. Me and John have been over here for at least an hour with him thawing things and me cleaning things. These are all looking dry. See, a lot of the pipes that would be under normal houses in the basement were ran kind of through our ceiling, which randomly has not been closed up yet. John's calling me. Hey, John.
Looks brown.
Yeah, it looks brown as can be. I'll ask Daddy about that.
Yeah.
Daddy's a water treatment operator, wastewater and fresh water. Anyway, he's not a plumber. He treats water, cleans it, gets it back in the system. That's alarming. It's not really that alarming. These pipes have been through some stuff. I almost feel like all this brown water smells bleachy. My father said we gotta let these pipes flush out. Give it a couple of days, just run them a lot. He said he doesn't know. There could have been some, water mains broke in different places that get stirred in the system. And then, you know, they have to fix those. But he said just having the pipes frozen, like all of ours, we have all new like PVC or CPVC, whatever it is. And then like PEX, blue, flexi stuff. And so that wouldn't have the sediment on it because it's all new. But then where we're connected down into the water system, you know, city water and stuff, anything that got froze, any sediments in the pipe, if you freeze them and then they thaw out, like the sediment comes through. Anyway, I'm not too worried about the dirty water because the water in this house already looks dirty to me and I wouldn't drink it, but I would bathe in it. So I just need us to get back to a point of bathing in it.